$300 is the gap between a quality manual PEX crimper and a mid-range cordless option. Nearly $400 separates manual from the Milwaukee M12. For a professional doing this work daily, that gap closes fast. For a homeowner doing one project, it may never close at all. Here is the honest framework for making this decision. The quality manual crimper benchmark is the iCrimp Angle Head F1807 at $81. Over 800 reviews, Angle Head for tight access, ratcheting mechanism that ensures complete crimps every time. This is what the rest of the comparison is measured against. If the cordless option does not meaningfully improve your situation, there is no reason to spend more. The Ryobi 18-volt cordless PEX tool at around $113 adds a motor to the F1807 crimp process. Same connection method, same rings, same result quality, just without hand squeezing. Battery integrates with the Ryobi One Plus system. The jump from the iCrimp is $32. If you already own Ryobi batteries, this is a very easy upgrade to justify. If you need to buy the battery too, factor that in. Add $50 to $70 and the gap widens. The Milwaukee M12 Pro PEX at $466 is a fundamentally different tool. It works on PEXA pipe with the expansion method, a stronger connection than F1807 crimp, no ring required. This is not just a cordless version of the manual crimper. It is an upgrade in both speed and connection quality. For a professional on a PEXA job, this tool completes connections in under 2 seconds and handles hundreds per charge. The break-even analysis. A professional plumber charging $80 per hour who saves 4 minutes per connection on a 50-connection job saves around $267 in labor time on that job alone. More than enough to cover the Ryobi upgrade in one use. The Milwaukee's break-even on a similar labor rate is approximately 2 jobs. For a homeowner doing 20 connections over a weekend, the math never closes. The iCrimp manual is the rational choice. Subscribe for more tool decision guides, new videos every week. Who should stay manual? Homeowners doing a single project or occasional repairs. Anyone doing fewer than 30 connections per use. Anyone working exclusively with PEXB in well-accessible locations where tight space access is not the primary challenge. The iCrimp manual is an excellent tool, and there is no performance argument for spending more if your volume is low. Links to all 3 options are in the description. Check them before you finish watching. Who should go cordless and which one to buy? Professionals doing any volume work should have a cordless option. If your pipe is PEXB and you want cordless speed without the Milwaukee price, the Ryobi is the right tool, especially if you are already in the One Plus ecosystem. If your work involves PEX-A or you're doing full home installations, the Milwaukee M12 Pro PEX is the correct investment. It is expensive, and it is worth it for the right application. Final summary. Manual at $81 for homeowners and low-volume work. Ryobi at $113 for PEX-B professionals who want cordless speed. Milwaukee at $466 for PEX professional installations. The links for all 3 are in the description. Check the current prices before you decide.